Hi, Peter Gleeson with a multimedia presentation of the online collaborative tools used in our group assignment. Teams of students were tasked with comparing 3 movie-making devices against a choice of 6 criteria from a list of 23. Most groups fulfilled their assignment over long distance. Ours had 2 in Sydney, 1 in Adelaide and 1 in Perth. So the use of online collaboration tools was necessary to complete the project successfully. We were given a list of several collaborative tools from which to choose, including Doodle, PBWorks, and the Google suite of services. The tools were examined to degrees varying from cursory to in-depth, but as I'm finding during the compilation of this report, more time could have been given to some of the tools that were not examined in more depth. PBWorks, AnyMeeting, and OpenUnis were some that could have been chosen over those that were eventually used. However, for the reasons explained in the comments column in the attached document, and for reasons of familiarity, we chose Google Docs, Skype, and Dropbox. Google Docs is part of the suite of services provided to Google users. Its online documents behave similarly to well-known word processing and spreadsheet programs, and are updated instantly, allowing multiple users to access the same document simultaneously. The only problem that we experienced was that the document formatting was vastly different from the version of Microsoft Word that we used. The manager of a group creating a document using this service would have to rework the result to suit the word processing program used for the final presentation. Skype is a very well-known online conferencing service that offers video and voice conferencing. Users can see who's online, create groups for conference calls, send instant messages and, more importantly, exchange files. The latter option was not utilised as the Google and Dropbox options were already in place or being investigated. The only issues we experienced with Skype were the occasional service dropouts and frequent scrambling of the signal. Dropbox is one of a number of the latest technological trend, cloud computing services. Users have instant access to their files using any of their computers or mobile devices wherever they might be. Files can also be shared among any number of users and are synchronized to all of their computers as well. Multiple folders can be created so as to protect and back up data. However, there is no control over what people can do to a file. All who have access to the public folder can make whatever changes they see fit. Strict document control procedures would need to be created to ensure that the final result is that to which all parties to the document have agreed. Using this tool in a wider arena would therefore be more problematic than it was for our small group. So both document control and data backup procedures were established. In conclusion, the tools chosen work well for our project, but limited success would be enjoyed if they were used on a wider scale. Services such as OpenUnis, AnyMeeting or PBWorks could be adopted by larger groups due to the limitations we found using Google Docs and Skype. We chose the latter services, as well as Dropbox, because extra time would have been spent learning how to use them instead of using the tools with which we were already familiar and actually completing the work assigned to us. This has been Peter Gleeson. Thanks for watching.